Need an impact wrench that's portable, lightweight and powerful? Look no further than the ToolPRO 18-volt impact wrench. Powered by the ToolPRO 18-volt lithium-ion battery packs available separately, this tool packs a punch with a maximum torque of 200 Newton-meters and a no-load speed of 2200 RPM. The brushless motor design extends runtime and life of the motor while allowing for its compact size and light weight of 1.4 kilos. A half-inch drive chuck accepts a broad range of impact socket sizes, so you'll find a use for this impact wrench on everything from lug nuts to patio bolts. The variable speed trigger delivers precise control to gently tighten smaller fasteners or drive the largest ones as tight as they'll go. Pull the trigger and the LED light is activated, great for working underneath the vehicle. The rugged metal gearbox within the wrench will insert the toughest fasteners, or flick the reverse switch to remove even seized nuts and bolts. Next time you've got a few bolts to do, slap a battery in your ToolPRO impact wrench and knock the task out in no time at all.